Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. Now record a video. I'll start with my phone and end the video here. Now you'll see a preview. Swipe right and you'll see many stickers. I'll just keep all of them. And you'll see a reverse mode. Now tap on the blue button on bottom right corner. And I'll just share it to my story. And that's how you reverse a video on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.